What if I told you there's a tiny amphibian that can regrow its limbs, survive freezing temperatures, breathe through its skin, and even produce deadly toxins? Meet the newt, one of nature's most incredible little survivors. Today, we're diving into 50 fascinating facts about newts that will completely change the way you see these mysterious amphibians. Let's jump in. 1. Newts are amphibians, which means they live part of their lives in water and part on land. 2. They belong to the salamander family. In fact, every newt is technically a type of salamander. 3. There are more than 100 species of newts found around the world. 4. Newts are most commonly found in North America, Europe, and Asia. 5. Unlike frogs, newts have tails throughout their entire lives. 6. Some species can live over 15 years in the wild. 7. In captivity, certain newts have survived for more than 20 years. 8. Newts begin life as aquatic larvae, similar to tadpoles. 9. As they grow, many species go through 3 life stages: larva, terrestrial juvenile, and aquatic adult. 10. The juvenile stage is often called the eft stage. 11. Red efts are bright orange and incredibly easy to spot in forests. 12. That bright color acts as a warning to predators. 13. Why? Because many newts are toxic. 14. Some species produce tetrodotoxin, the same dangerous toxin found in pufferfish. 15. Predators quickly learn that eating a newt is a terrible idea. 16. Even handling toxic newts with bare hands can irritate human skin. 17. Newts don't bite often, but their toxins are their main defense. 18. Certain birds and snakes have evolved resistance to newt toxins. 19. Newts often perform a defensive pose by arching their bodies to show off bright warning colors. 20. This behavior is called the Unken reflex. 21. Newts are famous for their incredible regenerative abilities. 22. They can regrow entire limbs. 23. But that's not all. They can also regenerate parts of their hearts. 24. Some species can even regrow damaged spinal cords. 25. And astonishingly, newts can regenerate parts of their eyes. 26. Scientists study newts to better understand how regeneration works. 27. Researchers hope newt biology could someday help human medicine. 28. Newts can regrow the same limb multiple times throughout their lives. 29. Their cells can reprogram themselves during regeneration. 30. Very few vertebrates have regenerative powers as advanced as newts. 31. Newts breathe through both lungs and skin. 32. Their skin must stay moist to absorb oxygen properly. 33. That's why newts are usually found in damp environments. 34. Many species prefer ponds, marshes, forests, and slow-moving streams. 35. Some newts become active mainly at night. 36. They feed on insects, worms, slugs, and tiny aquatic animals. 37. Newts use sticky tongues or quick snapping motions to catch prey. 38. They don't chew food, they swallow it whole. 39. A group of newts is sometimes called a knot. 40. Despite their tiny size, newts are surprisingly skilled hunters. 41. Certain species can survive freezing winter temperatures. 42. Some newts hibernate underwater during colder months. 43. Male newts often develop bright colors during breeding season. 44. Many males perform elaborate underwater dances to attract females. 45. Some species use scent signals during courtship. 46. Female newts carefully wrap individual eggs inside aquatic plant leaves. 47. This helps protect the eggs from predators. 48. Pollution and habitat destruction threaten many newt populations. 49. Because their skin is highly sensitive, newts are important indicators of environmental health. 50. And finally, despite their magical appearance, newts are very real evolutionary marvels that have existed for millions of years. From toxic skin to superpowered regeneration, newts are some of the most extraordinary amphibians on Earth. Which fact surprised you the most?